Okay. Hello everybody, I'm Jonathan Howie from Montana Fire Pits. This is my lovely wife and co-owner, co-founder, Amy Howie. And we're here in front of our shop in Missoula, Montana to kind of give everybody a walkthrough of how these things are made. And in fact, that yes, we are in Montana. Yes, these are made to order. And we just kind of want to show you how it's done. So join us as we walk through. Come on! So we actually moved into this small little building in November of 2020. And we thought this was more space than we would ever dream of in our lives. And now this is just one of two buildings currently.
Let's go meet Dave, our production manager.
Hi, my name is David. I'm the production manager here at Montana Fire Pits. We keep it pretty light. We work hard, occasionally have water balloon fights, get our jobs done, and work as hard as we can. When an order comes in from a customer, I make sure to get the order all the way through the process and out the door to them in pristine condition. And we work together as a team and solve any kind of problem that we might have.
Hey, I'm Tegan at Montana Fire Pits. I'm the fabrication manager here. We get all of our raw materials. They're all American made, and we turn them into these nice cut parts. Go on these pallets here, get ready for fabrication. Take you over to our material rack here, stocked with a bunch of 3/16 steel there on the bottom. That's our bread and butter. That's what we do most of our stuff out of. We also have 3/16 aluminum up there for our aluminum series. Other materials for various things like plates and pans. So this is our 2 kilowatt fiber laser. It just produces a very nice clean cut on the materials we cut. Allows us to get nice clean fit ups. Just cuts down on fabrication time. It's really fast, really efficient. We used to use plasma. It's a thing of the past now with this thing. It's pretty sweet. So with this laser, we're able to get a very high level of precision with our cutting. Our kerf, which is the amount of material it takes off, is 0.009 inches. So it's 9/1000ths of an inch is the width of the beam here. Better than plasma, we're able to just get nice square corners on our cuts. Everything goes together very nicely with this machine. So here we use state-of-the-art equipment to just produce the best results possible.
So my name's Derek. I am a fabricator here at Montana Fire Pits. Once Tegan gets the parts cut, they come in on a pallet, and then I start assembling them. So we tack them all together, and then once they're assembled, we weld them out, which is very important to get nice quality welds. Yeah, we'll just go from there. And yeah, I'm not good on this one. Was that good? Thank you. Yeah.
What's up guys, I'm Caleb. I'm one of the fabricators here. We don't let anything go out of the shop that we wouldn't want in our backyard. One thing that I love about our fire pits is we round this corner. Just something that I would like in my backyard. I wouldn't want something sharp that I might catch my leg on. So we make sure it is smooth and perfect for you guys. We don't like to send anything out of our shop that's not perfect. So everything is QC'd by 2 people, usually the fabricator and one other. And then if there's an iffy thing, we get a third opinion on it, and if it is slightly off or we don't like it, we will remake the whole table so that you guys as a customer are satisfied. This right here, this is our raw table, so after the fabricators are done, this is what it looks like, and then goes right into powder coating.
So one major improvement that we made this year was that we used to outsource all of our powder coating. And while that was good, the volume couldn't keep up. And one thing that we decided was that we needed to maintain that control and quality integrity throughout. So this year, we bought all of our powder coating equipment and hired Cam, who is the man now in charge of powder coating.
All right, we start with laser cleaning in the laser booth back there. The most important part of the process is making sure there's no debris, no oil. After laser cleaning, we primer everything. These have all been primered here. And then the third step is the final coat. Doing it here makes it way easier for us to have control of how the product is when it goes out. After I powder coat it, I prepare it for final assembly. I get it on a crate for the crew across the way there, and they get it in a crate and ship it out.
Hi, I'm Scott. I do most of the final woodworking. So I focus on the details, especially the little details that everybody sees when they look at the arbor wood collections, like the arbor accent, the little splines that go in them. I take care of all those details so it looks perfect when it gets to your house. We really strive to make sure that all of the wood will last for a really long time on your patio or out in your yard. So once I get done with my aspects of the arbor wood, it goes on to Kate and Dave and final assembly and packaging.
Just put it. My name is Kate, and I help package everything up and get it ready to be shipped out to its new home. We clean it up, take photos of it, wrap it up in this nice foam that just holds everything sturdy and keeps it protected. Inside, we put the burner in that is also all wrapped up. So each crate, as you can see, they are all different sizes, and they are all specifically made for the size of the fire pit. We just keep getting better at figuring out how to secure it and keep it safe in its travel.
Right now I am signing and preparing the bill of lading for 5 different shipments that are going to go out today. And these are going to go all over the country. We actually have a few somewhat locally here in Montana, going to Big Sky, and up in Big Fork. We've got a few going to Massachusetts, New York State, Oregon. We're shipping all over the country all the time. This is what we've shipped in the last 30 days. Well, it's pretty amazing that things end up where they need to go, the adventures that all these crates go on. We've had a few issues. I think maybe I've had 2 freight issues that I've had to get claims for. Really a pretty small percentage. Our team here in the warehouse does an excellent job of crating everything. We build all our own pallets. They're all built to spec for each table. Everything is packaged really well. I mean, that's a big part of why we have so few issues. It's also done in a way that's really easy to uncrate. So when the customer actually gets their fire table, it's not a very complicated process. You know, we love it when the customers send us pictures of their fire table once it's installed. We get so many cool photos from people all over the United States when they finally get that fire pit set up and then they can actually enjoy it. Just to share with everybody and kind of show what that journey looks like and what the end product looks like.
So we're super excited because we are actually in the process of building our new state-of-the-art building, 20,000 square feet, so that we can all come back together in one place and have all the space that we need necessary. We're super excited for that.
Hey everybody, thanks again for joining us as we walked through sort of our production facility. We hope that you kind of made a connection on what it means for us to be Montana made, made and sourced in the US, made by hand, made to order, and the care and the attention that we put into every one of these tables for you guys. Thanks again.